Well, look at that. Them babies look good. That is that kale. And this is the finished product. That's the kale. That's that delicious meatloaf. That's that meatloaf. Shambe, look. Yes, sorry, Bob. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Nan. Look at that kale. Look at that meatloaf. Look at the mashed potatoes. Look at that cornbread. Woo, woo, woo. And I tasted that. Oh, my goodness. When I tell you, do it just like I showed you, I'm telling you, this meatloaf is the bomb.com. That's all I got to say. Everything is good. Everything is good. So watch that video so you can see how I did everything. I'm getting ready to load it up on my YouTube, but you can watch it on either one. These are good, but I want to let these cook, I just like mine to melt in your mouth, okay? So I'm going to keep that going. I got it on low, but I wanted to show you. Thanks, Nan. I just wanted to give you a little peek. Always post the finished product. So all this stuff is done, but I like to just keep these going. And it can't hurt nothing, You can eat them now, but I want them to melt in your mouth. So, hey, Katie. This is the finished product, baby. That right there. Ooh. Yes, sir. The only thing I don't like, but that just, what can you say? But that right there is so good. That was my sample piece right there. Hold up. This was the sampler right here. Look at that. Right? I'm going to sample it for you again. Say, Ooh, that's so good. That is really good. All right. So I'll have this when power comes on. This is a power meal. But anyways, guys, I thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I don't know. It means a lot to me that you tune in and watch me be super silly and have fun. That's what it's about. So anyway, Nan, I'm going to put some of this up for you. I most certainly am, Nan. For sure, for sure. All right, guys, I just wanted to come and show you what it looked like when everything was done. I did that. Got to get ready for power. So I'm just going to keep that on low and let it just do. I sure will, Shambe. I surely will. And hugs and kisses to everybody down your way. Did y'all get bad weather? Cousin Benny said that y'all might, be getting a little turbulence down there. Hey, Mark, how are you? I see your son is getting big. I seen that. Oh, wow, so good to see you on here, Mark. I miss y'all. Yeah, tell everybody I said hi. I was just showing this thing. No, it was 72 and sunny. I guess it passed y'all then, which is good. Happy to hear that. Okay, guys, I'm signing off. I think the next thing I'm going to do, the next thing I'm cooking, we're going to do Italian most of this month. I think I'm going to do some baked ziti. That's next. So that's in a few days. I know, again, nothing like parenting, is it? That's the best show in town, right? On earth. The best show on earth. I hear you. Ain't nothing like it. Hold up. I got my hair scarf off. I took my other hair off. I'm about to curl it up. So I have to put this on for now. But anyways, yeah. Power's getting ready to come on. Well, good. You know what, Mark? Y'all done a good job. It's a happy baby. I knew you guys would. You can do it. I knew that. So I'm happy for you guys. I'm happy for you. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go upstairs and get some stuff ready for tomorrow. And then again, like I said, you know, Ratchet TV's coming on in a few. Anybody that like Ratchet TV, raise your hand. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Mark. Beautiful and silly. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. So anyway, guys, I'm signing off. Go to my YouTube channel, In the Kitchen with Cindy. If you ain't subscribed, hit that button for me. Hit that button. Love you guys.